The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Banks County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Hall County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Excuse me?
At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was centered 37 miles east of Gainesville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Jefferson, Homer, Lula, Maysville, Pendergrass, Gillsville, Talmo, and Kendler. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Doubleheader.
Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County in northeastern Georgia, Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, central Rabun County in northeastern Georgia, northwestern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles northwest of Pickens to 7 miles southwest of Walhalla to 6 miles southwest of Toccoa, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Clemson, Toccoa, Seneca, Walhalla, Pickens, Clark-Esville, Central, Cornelia, Pendleton, and Liberty. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.
Must be it.
Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio stations WXK 56 and KPX 506 has interrupted